небу выше всех этих нелепых игр. Оно так любит этот безумный мир. Пока мы живы, мы будем чертить круги. Ведь мы же люди, мы сами себе враги. Каждым днем все сильнее. У тебя в душе и теле смутные времена, популярные цели, слепая война. Здесь идея, а небо выше всех этих нелепых игр. Оно так любит этот безумный мир. Пока мы живы, мы будем чертить круги. Ведь мы же люди, мы сами себе враги. Каждым днем все черствее. Шеи никого не жалея, темные времена. Ординарные цели подняться со дна. Не смей.
What's this? Empty Red Bull bottles lying on the ground. Who can it be? Who can it be? Who can it be?
Sergeant, over there!
I found a pack of protein bars and a membership card at Poker Stars, but still, who can it be? Who can it be? Who can it be?
Sergeant, come over here! On the ground!
A smoothie made from healthy fruit.
And there, a sweaty condom suit. My God, who can it be? Who can it be?
I found this, sir.
What's this? Some DVD.
How to install the suite on skis. Who can it be? Who can it be? Who can it be?
Who can it be?
Come on, guys! Think! Tell me where can it be? In the top of a tree? Did it hide like a mole?
Down below.
Where did he grab? Do you think he has a gun? Let's find him! Yes! Before it is too late.
Secret group.
The keys to the apartment of the model Ilar Lee. Who can it be? Who can it be? Who can it be? He must be closed!
Sir, I think there's something you should see. The suspect carved his name in a tree, although he wrote it wasn't me. I think it was he.
Oh no, it's he.
It must be he.
Unfortunately.